Hey guys, this is Johnny, and of course you know this man, Jerremy Alexander Newsome.
What's going on, guys?
We're here in Hawaii, beautiful backyard.
This is his backyard. That's what we look at every day. It's not bad.
made like $625 this morning trading stocks with Jerremy. Took off of work, just cruising. As you can see, I'm in a sweatshirt because it's kind of cold today. It's about 78 degrees. But
Freezing. Almost snowing.
we're almost. We're having a great time. Yesterday, we went out with the family, and did some hiking, met up with Chief, had a great dinner, had some ice cream after that, just living the life, man. You guys got to do this. You got to spend time with this man. He will change your life. Love you guys.
Take care. Enjoy today's stock review. You rock. My folks and friends, fans and followers, that is the Johnny Guarco, and you saw his P&L in the picture there. He's up $600 today. Not working. Loving it, and we're having a great time here in Hawaii. You'll see a lot more of Johnny and a lot of his posts. Just an amazing human being, a great trader, a wonderful dad, phenomenal husband, and incredible friend. Love you, John.
Love you, bro.
All right, so let's go look at some individual stocks. We're checking out the stocks today on TrendSpider. Visit trendspider.com to check out all of your charting software needs. Right now, we just have a beautiful little trend. I'm wearing my Buy the Salsa shirt because that's pretty much what I've been mentioning is going to be a strong opportunity for a lot of traders to buy that salsa. This is the 10 EMA and the 20 EMA. You got a little bit of a double bottom that came in right here. You have a few retest gaps, and we gapped down and just got bought up immediately on the SPY. Let's pop into a 5-minute chart, and I'll show you how Johnny made most of his money today playing the SPY. But this was it. So it gapped down. You can see really strong bullish candle came in here, traded sideways, and check this out. The high of this candle, 33240. 33240 and 33240. So J-Bones, Johnny Guarks gets in bullish right above there with a stop loss right below there and rode that up to catch a small little gain. And now he also played later in the day a little bit of a tighter double bottom, soaking up most of his buying power because it was a tight little stop, but played this kind of bullish hammer. As you all remember, that is the challenge for February, is to look for and try to track down hammers. But there's the hammer right there on the 5-minute chart. Here's another one. Here's another one. So anyway, Johnny played it bullish. Bunch of bullish candles in a row. Retested it and is working on balancing. So anyway, great trade on the SPY. Overall, the trend looks bullish and looks really nice. Today, we had a really phenomenal day in the trading room. Anna, want to give Anna congratulations. She did her first day trade following some rules and the traders have placed. This was Amazon. So I've been talking pretty bullish on Amazon during the recent afternoon swing trading rooms. But here is Amazon. So ticker symbol AMZN, Amazon. They pop over here to the 5-minute chart. So this is the 5-minute chart. It just gapped up and just retested and slowly grinded higher all day. I mean, look at this trend on the daily charts. Unquestionable, unequivocally bullish. Really nice continuation on Amazon. So Anna, congratulations. Very well done and proud of you. Anyway, great trade. So that's Amazon. Really nice trend. I know my buddy Hung Glau was in some $2,300 call options for March. So those are pretty far out of the money, but I did give them a 19% chance they will close in the money. I mentioned that on Friday. So Amazon doing its thing. Google. A lot of you are in bullish on Google because that's one I was really pounding the table on just a few days ago with their incredible earnings after the bearish gap down with loads of volume, high wave candle. And again, folks, that is spelled Highwave, high wave candle here on the 4th of February. Then you got an inside day candle on the 5th of February, and we broke out on the 6th of February. And I am in on Google with a very large bullish position as of February 6th. So if Google keeps going higher, you'll know that your boy Newsome is pleased. Boeing, so ticker symbol BA. I got some shares of Boeing as well. And Boeing, I mean, realistically on a weekly chart looks pretty good. So here's a weekly time frame. It just kind of looks like a channel. Got a nice little hammer candle back on January 20th. Got an inside week on January 27th, and we broke higher. So my plan is for it to trade back up into 372-ish and that's where I'll look to get out of Boeing, ticker symbol BA. A few other trades that a lot of traders did very well on today was Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. So let me pop over here back into Slack. This is the community that everyone who subscribes to Real Life Trading gets access to. But I just want to kind of scroll up because, again, this was one of the trades that we did very, very well on. There's really, today was a very profitable day, so I'm actually quite happy about it. But I'm just trying to trade up to where that is. I can't remember. Tom, great job playing Tesla bearish today. We had some traders play it bearish. We had some traders play it bullish. It was a really good amalgamation of greatness. But there's Joel getting himself 2 Rs on SPCE. Julian also played it. Steven also played it. Mark also played it. This is what I talked about before the market opened. And if anybody wants a copy of that recording, I did record today's morning day trading room. So if anybody wants it, reach out to me. But really good bullish trend on Virgin Galactic, SPCE. Nice trend, buy the dip, strong bullish move, glorious continuation. The official trade that we did today was on SmileDirect, SDC. Again, wasn't really a gap, was just more of a continuation of the bullish trend. We played it about as well as you could have, realistically. Here's the, let's go look at the 3-minute chart on SDC. Again, SmileDirect. We got in bullish on this one at 1474. Which was the pullback of this candle right here. Nice little lower shadow, and then we were getting hitting some targets with this move, and then got trailed out right here at 5:30 a.m. Hawaii time. So we got trailed out on SmileDirect, but that was a nice little $0.25 win on ticker symbol SDC. And really the big win of the day, we had 2 for swing trades. Let me see a work. So I want to show you the exact setup. I don't have it listed or shown in TrendSpider, but here in TradingView, this was the swing trade that Blake Anderson set up on our afternoon swing trading room. I believe it was Friday of last week, so February 4th. It broke out here on February 4th with a retest gap. So Blake set up to buy the retest. Why would he do that? Want to get in on a pullback. It is a retest gap, right? So he was looking for this, this, and this. Now, did Blake or myself or anyone else know that Slack would have such a massive move today? And obviously the answer is no. But we scored really massive on Slack Technologies, ticker symbol WORK, with the gap, with the volume on February 1st, buying that pullback. Here's the moving averages, looking good, trading good. That was a 2R win. And you're working on a double bottom on a weekly chart. So Slack, you can continue to keep your eyes on this one because it does look pretty toasty. And the other one that was really nice was also set up during our last week, Sunrun, ticker symbol RUN. This is the one that a few other traders hit some really big winners on. Basically set up from this gap and go that occurred on the 30th. That was during the free week of the trading room. And then we set up a swing trade on it officially the very next week, right here on the 3rd of February. So nice little run. Congratulations, John Thaxton and Ben Cruz, and really just a massive amount of other traders. Today was a good day. You don't get phenomenal days every single day. I would categorize today as a phenomenal day if you had the opportunity to be a part of real life trading, because another trade that we just absolutely dominated was Lyft, LYFT, and I spent a lot of time studying this chart over the weekend. In fact, check out this trade right here on SmileDirect, by the way. 4:34 a.m., but this was it. Limit buy on SmileDirect, 1474 by 1444. That was the setup. Hawaii time right there. But this is the one trade that I posted 7:59 p.m. yesterday. Large institutional buying on Lyft, question mark. And kind of been mentioning these huge pockets of buying, really massive volume coming in, trading sideways. And what did we have yesterday on Lyft? Is that a one white soldier, new white soldier hammer candle? Why, yes, it is. And you had a really good resistance, no moving averages in the way at all once it got above the 200 simple. So really good trade for a lot of traders playing Lyft, ticker symbol LYFT today. Earnings is this week. Really excited to see how it pulls back and plays into this $50 level. But I do think, you ready for this one, folks? Quite confident that Lyft is going to hit $70 this year, depending on what happens with earnings this week. Looking for probably a gap up on earnings, a trade down into 49 and some change, and then from there, lift off into 50. We will see. Otherwise, congratulations, traders from all around the world. A really spectacular Monday. More greatness, more videos, more pictures and stuff coming from Hawaii. But until then, love life, live life, and trade it. You guys rock. Bye.